What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. But today we're not building any cars. Today we're back here at the new house, and it's been a while since I've been here. I'm not gonna lie, things have changed a little bit. The trees are dead. Last time I was here, everything was green. I guess it's been it's had to been 2, 3, 4 weeks since I've been here. I don't know why that dumpster is still there. I called them long ago and told them I was done with it and they could take it. I guess I'll have to give them a call back. My neighbor from behind is supposed to be working on the roof, so that's the first thing we're gonna go take a look at. There's the old sink that was in the bathroom. We had it removed, toilet removed. Man, it's so nice seeing all this yard, man, all of this space. All right, so I see some plenty of sheets here, a lot of sheets there. Okay, that was already done. This is not done. Nope. All right, looks like this end has been mostly put together. There's a valley there that hasn't been done yet. This side looks good. That's done. Okay. Well, it's good to see that part got done. Unfortunately, that was done, I believe, a couple weeks ago, because he came out and I actually paid him. And I paid him to do this roof like a month ago. Now, this portion of the roof is going to have to be pulled up. The wood up here is rotten. And thankfully, it's not leaking, but we're gonna have to pull this section out. Basically, everything from here up to the peak up there, that's all gotta be pulled. Let's take a look at the inside, because yesterday, Home Depot came out, and they were supposed to finish the installation. What are you doing here? Is this home? No, not home, huh? She's ready to get out of here. Let's take a look at the tile. That's probably the biggest change to the house, other than we brought the dog out here with us today, didn't we? Didn't we? Your dog? Did you go for a ride in the truck? Did you go for a ride in the truck? You did? You went for a ride. Oh, she went for a ride in the truck, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sugar. She's a stray that showed up at our door several years ago. She's not happy. Her mommy left her. Mama's sitting in the truck. You know, Mama's sitting in the truck, beautiful dog. I know. We'll leave in a minute, sweetheart. So here it is. This is the flooring that I picked out. We're not leaving yet, silly. Calm yourself. Those baseboards obviously are going to need painted. I probably should have got here and taken care of that. What do you think? You guys remember what this place looked like, right? What do you think? Not too bad, in my opinion. I think it looks pretty good. Here, let's come back here. I'll go ahead and finish showing you around this way. And now you can take a better look at what it looks like going this direction. I need to go by the appliance store and pick up a refrigerator, although I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing, spending all this money putting this house together. It's really like my OCD that's causing it. There's no reason to continue pouring money into this. It doesn't look like we're going to move in here. There's the old truck. Still a trooper. It doesn't look like we're going to move in here. It looks like this is just going to be the office for Auto Auction Rebuilds. Maybe a place that we can get away from the city and just come hang out or something. Go around this corner here. And here is the main bathroom for the house. I gotta go to Home Depot and get a new sink. I'm gonna try to get a decent sized sink, maybe even put it a little further out than it was, maybe all the way over to here. I should get the measuring tape and measure that. I'd like to get a little bit bigger of a sink in here. That's awful small. Obviously, as I said before, we're going to get rid of the lights. We're going to put all new lights in here and everything. I do wish that that roof had gotten a little bit further than it is. Here's this room. And then you got the master bedroom. We're actually to a point now we can start putting these appliances in. You know, we can put the stainless microwave, the stainless dishwasher, the stainless hood, the stainless stove. We can get all that stuff in there, and that's really going to look like a kitchen when we do that. I got all the new light fixtures outside. I still have to go buy new ceiling fans, 3 of them. New outlets and outlet covers, of course. Those are cheap. That's no big deal. Here is, see if we can get the light on in here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, 1 light bulb. And I guess this is all the extra. Apparently, that's a lot of extra quarter round. I wonder if I get a refund on any of that, because that is it's quite a bit of extra material there that I guess they didn't use. We got extra planks, a few extra transition strips here and there. Not bad, man. Not bad. And we'll see if we can turn the light on in here for you real quick. This room still needs quite a bit, but as you can see, the floor is done in here. We pulled the toilet and everything. The sink has been removed, so we're going to have to do a little painting and cleaning up in there. And that is pretty much the latest update to the house. It's getting to the point where we can put brand new light fixtures and new ceiling fans. Make sure we get matching light bulbs because these are all mismatched. Gonna have to go buy a new refrigerator. But I mean, it's really coming together. It's really coming together. It is so exciting for me to see the progress of this house. Considering when we started, it was kind of scary. And looking at it now, it's comfortable. It smells decent. The heater, boom. 72 degrees, it's nice in here. Like, it actually feels very homey. So comment below, what do you think? She's come a long way, guys. She really has. And I am super excited to bring you this video and the videos to come, because now it's to the point where, you know, it's a lot of little things. We got to go get little things here and there and start putting this place together, finishing touches, a few doors, and really trying to make it look like a home. Now, I'm not really sure why I want it to look like a home. I don't know why I continue spending the money on this place. I mean, as it is, it's perfect. Aside from getting toilets and sinks in the bathrooms, you don't really have to do any more to this place. But I'll be honest with you, I don't like to start a project like this, especially something this big, and then just drop the ball on it. I mean, we've come this far, might as well finish it. Might as well knock it out, get it done. We need trim around all the windows. We need new blinds and a lot of cosmetic stuff. But I mean, she has come such a long way from where we started. I feel like I need to finish it. Like, I can't explain it. What I should be doing is taking the money and building a shop. That's what I should be doing. But I can't bring myself to go start another project before we get this one. Not necessarily 100% finished, but I want it to be done enough that I feel comfortable with where we're at in the project before we start on another one. It's hard for a lot of people to understand, but with all the cars that I have regularly going on, working on them, and coming down here and working on this is a lot for one person to take on and manage. And I've got to spend my time where it's needed most, and it's been the cars lately. We're going to get back to doing some stuff at the house in the near future. I know a lot of you have been asking about it. That's why I made this quick little update video. We'll get back to doing some work on the house and trying to finish it up. Now, a lot of you have had your own comments about, you know, I went out and I bought a new C7 Corvette. Obviously, that was a lot of money, and so many people got upset because they're like, you should have taken that money and built a shop. It doesn't work that way. I'm just assuming there's a lot of people that don't understand how this works. I didn't take $50-some thousand out of the bank and go and buy a car, and now I don't have money for a shop. That's not what happened. I financed the car, just like I will probably finance the shop. Now, if I cannot finance the shop, I don't know how that works. I don't know who you go through to finance a shop. I have no idea. Then that means I'm going to have to save up for the shop, and obviously that's going to take some time, and I'm fine with that because it's not like you're going to pay for a shop and have it built overnight anyway. It's going to take a while. With the weather being cold, concrete has to cure. This is another thing that's going to take a lot of time, so forgive me, I'm actually getting a little ill. Just bear with me, stay tuned, and we will get everything done. Now, before we get out of here, I've changed my mind on the dealer's license again. I'm so back and forth on this. I don't want a dealer's license, but the more I talk to other people in the industry, the more it seems like this is just something I'm going to have to do. I don't want to do it. This isn't how the direction I wanted to go, but it looks like it's just the overall best direction to take this. Create an LLC, run the wholesale dealership completely separate from YouTube. You know, YouTube will be its thing like it is now, but the dealership will be its own separate entity, and it looks like that's probably the way we're going to have to go with it. Now, I don't want to get a dealer's license. I don't know. I probably shouldn't even be talking about this right now because I really don't know the direction I'm going with it. I don't know if I want to go with a wholesale license or if I want to just get a dealer's license. I don't think I want to get a dealer's license because this is in the middle of nowhere. And I can't imagine parking 3 or 4 cars on the edge of the road there, putting listings on Facebook Marketplace, and someone actually coming all the way out here to buy a car. I don't see that happening. So I think a wholesale license is probably the better way to go. It's cheaper, it's easier to get, less restrictions, and well, not less restrictions, but less, there's less red tape to get through to get your wholesale license. And then I can just basically sell the cars to other dealers when I'm done with them, you know, collect my money and move on to the next car. So I think that's probably the way to go, is with a wholesale license. But don't hold me to any of this because it's all subject to change tomorrow. It's just one of those things where I truly don't know what I'm doing at this point, and it's a big decision, and I want to make sure I make the best decision, not just for me, but for the channel as well. So for now, we're just going to focus on getting this house finished, and I'm happy with it. I really am. I mean, there's a few things here and there I don't understand exactly how, but whatever. You know, it's a cheap house. We didn't spend a whole lot of money on it, and it's really starting to look like a decent place. That's all that matters to me. I really think that's what's important, is at the end of the day, when I walk in here, I feel like this was a success. This was an accomplishment. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the content. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up, please. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends on social media. I truly do appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And I guess until next time, I got to go pick out some furniture. That's what I'm doing right now. I've got a few things I need to pick up for the house in the city. And I've got a couple other things to do. But until next time, everybody, I got to get out of here. Stay safe out there. Enjoy. Hopefully by now it's close to Thanksgiving. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I will catch you all very soon in the next one.